Hi, I'm Renee Rouleau. Let's talk about skin type 1. The description is oily skin, large pores, severe acne, and post-blemish scars. So let's break down the symptoms so that you can determine if this is your skin type. Extremely oily skin. So this is somebody that produces oil. Your pores might be a little on the larger side. You're somebody that gets very shiny and greasy throughout the day. So typically, if you're somebody that gets shiny a couple hours after you wash your face, sometimes that can be because you used something that was too strong. A true oily skin type is somebody that even when they're using a gentle product, they're still going to get really oily and shiny. So if you're somebody that feels like you're constantly having to blot your skin and powder your face and you're complaining about oil all the time, then this is a skin type that you might identify with. The next one is large pores on entire face. So somebody who has large pores, naturally they are going to be somebody that has oily skin. So if you're somebody that, you have oily, large pores in the T-zone, but they also kind of extend out to the cheek area, then you might be a skin type 1. Next is constant severe acne. So this is somebody that gets many blemishes. Every day when you wake up, you're like, wow, I have another blemish on my face. So it's got to be pretty consistent. Next is post-blemish red scars that linger. So you don't want to get this confused with new blemishes popping up, because anybody who gets a blemish, you're going to have the red marks. But clearly, when you do have blemishes, you get the red marks. So the important thing with this skin type is to really focus on how many blemishes you do get a week, but noticing that, of course, the red marks do linger, or the dark marks, depending on your skin tone. You're also somebody that will break out from heavy oils or pore clogging ingredients. So if you're somebody that finds that you have to be really careful about what you use because you feel like products break you out, you get whiteheads and blemishes, then you could be a skin type 1. And lastly is somebody that wants clearer and smoother skin. Obviously, if you are somebody that gets breakouts, dealing with oiliness, you want to try to keep all of that managed and keep the skin clear and even toned. Typically, somebody that's a skin type 1 could be a teenager up until probably maybe age 25. That's kind of the range, so teenage to 25. That's not to say that you can't be a skin type 1 outside of that age range, but that's typically the years that somebody is going to be more breakup prone. Let's talk about the different skin type kits that we have. So if you feel like you're a skin type 1, we sell the products for skin type 1 3 different ways. We have the basic kit. These are 3 products. So if you're somebody that just wants to start with a couple things, these are the 3 best products for skin type 1. We also sell the essential, which is 6 products. So if you're somebody that wants to kind of go above and beyond the basics, you want to add in a few bells and whistles, this would be a great collection. And lastly, the complete collection. So this is 10 to 12 products for your skin type, and this gives you everything. So if you're really wanting to really drive faster results and you're somebody that's into using masks and kind of doing above and beyond just the basic things, then this would be for you. When you order one of the skin type kits, it comes with this card that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use each and every product, because oftentimes, people get confused about how to use it, and we hold your hand every step of the way, and you'll have very detailed instructions. So a lot of people will tape this on their mirror until they get into the swing of things, but we hold your hand and make sure you know exactly how to use your products. If you have additional questions or want to determine your skin type, be sure to take the skin type quiz at reneerouleau.com. And we also can offer a personalized skin consultation with one of our estheticians. It's called MySkinRx, and you can do it via video or over the phone, and it allows one of our estheticians to really make sure that you're in the right skin type, so they can help determine the best game plan for your skin so you can be on your way to the Renee Rouleau glow.